In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Braintree in Wix. If you're looking to accept secure credit and debit card payments on your Wix site using Braintree, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to click and what to expect. Before we begin, make sure you're logged into the correct Wix site dashboard and, if you already have a Braintree merchant account, have your business details handy. From your Wix dashboard, head to the left-hand sidebar and open Settings. This is where Wix keeps most of your site-wide configuration, including payments. Inside Settings, look for Accept Payments. Open that page to see your current and available payment methods for the site you're working on. On the Accept Payments page, scroll down until you see an option labeled See More Payment Options. Click it to expand the full list beyond the default recommendations. This is helpful because not every provider appears at the top, and Braintree is often listed in the extended options. When that list opens, choose View More. This reveals additional providers organized by payment type and region. If you manage multiple sites, double-check the country and currency settings for this site, since payment providers vary by location and what they support. Now locate Braintree in the credit and debit card providers. Click Connect. Wix will prompt you to enter the details Braintree requires to link your account. The exact fields can vary by region and business type, but typically, you'll confirm your business information and merchant credentials associated with Braintree. Take your time to enter accurate information, as payment providers use these details for verification and payouts. If you're unsure about a field, look for the small help icons or open a separate tab to your Braintree dashboard to reference your account settings. After you've filled in the required fields, continue through the prompts and save. Wix will confirm the connection and add Braintree to your active payment methods. If you see a banner asking you to complete verification or submit additional documents, follow those on-screen notes later to finalize compliance. But your core connection steps are done. That's all it takes to enable Braintree in Wix. Settings, accept payments, see more payment options, view more, and connect to Braintree. Keep your business details consistent between Wix and Braintree to avoid delays, and you'll be ready to accept card payments seamlessly on your site.